Find a bird. Find a bird. Find a bird. Find a bird. What? Yeah, it came up like here. I didn't see it till I heard it right away, but I didn't see it till it was 20 feet in the air. And it went behind us, which is impossible to shoot at. For me, anyway. He came through it multiple times. He would have smelled it. Didn't hear it flopping, and it was a long shot. So I'm sure we just missed. But good.
It went farther, deeper than I thought we were going to.
Yeah, we did. Yeah.
But that was all.
But we walked.
Country.
I mean, we walked that edge more or less.
Yeah.
That's where you and I went in and came back. But that's where we kicked up that bird right there.
Yeah.